Hello everyone, today I'd like to talk about nutrition. Now, nutrition is a huge topic and it's a workshop or a course all by itself. So within this workshop, I want to give you an introduction and cover certain aspects of it that I think will set you on your way and hopefully be helpful. When we make calculations, they are always estimations and starting points, and subsequent adjustments nearly always have to be made in order to achieve the results that we want to achieve. In fact, I have never known it not to be the case that once we have a starting point working out calories, macros, that we always have to take it from there and adjust it backwards, forwards until we get to where we want to go. If you are serious about making changes in your nutrition, there really isn't a way around measurement and calculation. Calories. Scary word, but a calorie is very simply a measurement. In the same way that you measure a room using centimeters, we measure food using calories. That is the unit of measurement. Not only for food, but of energy or energy potential within the food that we eat. And also it's the unit of measurement for the energy that we expend or burn as well. It is not actually a component of food, it is a measurement of food and of energy. If we can calculate the energy or calories our body uses over a period of time, and also the energy of the calories we put into the body, then by creating either a surplus or deficit, we can either gain or lose weight, whichever we're choosing or wanting to achieve. One important thing to remember is that the period of time where we calculate that calorie intake and expenditure doesn't have to be 24 hours. If we are on a plan and we don't manage to get it exactly right over the course of one day, there's no need to panic. It's okay to get back on track and look at the deficit or surplus in terms of a week is the period of time. I think that's important as well, because often what happens is it doesn't go right for a particular day, so we give up altogether. There's no need to do that. Just get back on track and look at the overall deficit or surplus over the course of a week rather than just the one day. Any diet works if it does create the deficit or surplus in this calorie equation. It is this deficit or surplus that is the key component. You can eat too much so-called healthy food and you will put on weight. Similarly, you can eat whatever you want, and if it is still a deficit of calories, you will lose weight. This is really important. You can still eat ice cream. You can still drink alcohol if you like and if you choose to. As long as you are creating a deficit, a calorie deficit, you will lose weight. Different foods have different calorie densities. So with practice, it is possible to design a diet so that you can eat the foods you enjoy eating. And that's important as well, because it's more likely you'll carry on with the diet if you are enjoying the food that you're eating. So it's possible to choose the foods that you eat and enjoy and still achieve your weight goals, whatever they may be.